Did you know a £37 million teenager almost disappeared from football entirely before becoming Manchester United's next star? Amad Diallo arrived at Old Trafford in 2021 with enormous expectations, but within months he was shipped out on loan to Rangers, then Sunderland. Both spells ended in frustration and broken promises. When he returned to United, nobody expected anything, just another expensive mistake heading for the exit door. But during pre-season, Erik ten Hag noticed something special. The kid had hunger, real hunger. Then came that moment against Brighton. The ball fell to Amad on the edge of the box. He shifted, curled it perfectly into the top corner. Old Trafford erupted like they hadn't heard in years. Amad sprinted to the corner, arms spread wide, pure joy on his face. Ten Hag pumped his fists on the touchline, beaming with pride. Years of patience, loans, and doubt, all erased with one perfect strike.